Okay, I'm making a twisted pineapple. I have NRG and water, and it's a specialty loaded. So I just added the beauty. And now I'm adding the peach mango. Two scoops of that, by the way. One scoop of the beauty. So now it calls for a palm lift off. And the flavors are cherry and pineapple. Cherry. Pineapple. And she wants whip in it, so we're gonna add the whip. Now we're gonna take the mixer and we're gonna mix it up. Mix it till it's really, really good mixed up. That specialty mix, you have to mix it good or it will be in clumps. Now we're gonna go put ice in it. Whoop, got it everywhere. One-handed here. Now we're gonna add the water. And cold water. The first time you add hot water. Probably won't be good. And there it is. Thank you for watching.